Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Story channel. This is a place where learning English is easy and calm.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very important topic.
Yes, today we talk about speaking English. Many people ask, why can't I speak English?
This is a big question. Many people study English for a long time, but they cannot speak.
You are right. They can read, they can write, but speaking is very hard for them.
So today we want to help you. We want to find the answer to this question.
Yes, and we want to give you easy tips to help you speak better.
But first, if you like this video, please click the like button down below. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to our channel. We make videos about English learning every week.
Yes, click the bell too, then you get notifications when we upload new videos.
And please share this video with your friends. Maybe they have the same problem. Maybe they want to speak English too.
Good idea. Okay, let's start. So, why can't people speak English?
I think the first reason is fear.
Fear. What kind of fear?
Fear of mistakes. People think, I will make a mistake, people will laugh at me.
Oh, yes, I know this feeling. When I started speaking English, I was very scared.
Me too. My face was red, my hands were shaking.
I remember one time I was at a coffee shop. An American tourist asked me, "Where is the train station?"
Oh no, what did you do?
I knew the answer, I knew the words, but I was so nervous. My mouth didn't work.
So what happened?
I just pointed with my finger. I didn't say anything. I felt so embarrassed.
That is a common experience. Many people have this problem.
Yes, but later I learned something important. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are normal.
You are right. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Exactly. So now I don't worry about mistakes. I just speak.
That is good. So what can we do about this fear?
We must change our thinking. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good.
Mistakes are good? How?
Because mistakes help you learn. When you make a mistake, you remember it. You don't make it again.
Ah, I understand. So mistakes are like teachers.
Exactly. Mistakes are your friends. They help you improve.
That is a good way to think. So don't be afraid of mistakes.
No, just speak. Make mistakes. It is okay.
Good. So fear is the first problem. What is the second problem?
The second problem is no practice. People don't practice speaking.
Why not? They study English, right?
Yes, they study, but they only read books. They only do grammar exercises. They don't speak.
Ah, so they learn about English, but they don't use English.
Exactly. It is like learning to drive a car. You can read the book about driving, but can you drive?
No, you must sit in the car, you must practice.
Yes, the same with speaking. You must practice speaking.
Okay, but how? I don't have English friends. Who can I speak with?
You can speak with yourself.
With myself? Really?
Yes, I do this every day. It really helps.
What do you say when you talk to yourself?
I talk about my day. I say simple things like, I am making breakfast. I have eggs and bread. The eggs are yellow.
Oh, very simple sentences.
Yes, start simple. Don't try to say difficult things.
And where do you do this?
Everywhere. When I cook, I describe my food. When I clean, I say, I am cleaning the table. The table is dirty.
That is easy. I can do that.
Yes, you can do it in the shower, in the car, anywhere.
And nobody hears me, so I'm not embarrassed.
Exactly. You can make many mistakes and it is okay.
I love this idea. What else can people do?
They can find a language partner on the internet.
On the internet? How?
There are many apps and websites. You can video call with people from other countries.
And they want to practice English too?
Yes, or maybe they want to learn your language and you can help each other.
Oh, that sounds fun. And it is free?
Yes, many apps are free. You just need internet.
Good. So we have two ideas. Talk to yourself and find a language partner.
Yes, but there is one more important thing.
What is that?
Don't wait. Start today.
Today? Not tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow, not next week, not next Monday, today.
Why is this important?
Because many people say, I will start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. They always wait.
Ah, yes. I do this sometimes too. I say, I will start on Monday, but Monday comes and I am too busy.
Exactly. So start right now, today.
Okay, what can people do right now?
Right now, they can turn off this video and speak English for 1 minute.
1 minute? That is very short.
Yes, 1 minute is easy. Talk about your room. Say, I am in my room. I see a bed. I see a window. The window is big.
Just describe things around you.
Yes, very simple. 1 minute today. Tomorrow, maybe 2 minutes.
I like this. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Small steps are better than big plans that never happen.
True. So let me ask you something. What about people who say, my English is too bad. I need to study more before I speak?
This is a big mistake.
Why?
Because you will never feel ready. You can study for 10 years and still think, I am not ready.
So when should people start speaking?
Now, even if you only know 10 words, even if you only know hello and goodbye.
Really? But that is very little.
It doesn't matter. Start with what you have. You will learn more words while you speak.
Ah, I see. Speaking helps you learn more.
Yes, when you speak, you find out what words you need. Then you learn those words.
That makes sense. So speaking and learning happen together.
Exactly. Don't wait until you know everything. You will never know everything.
Good point. Okay, let's talk about another problem. Some people are worried about their accent.
Ah, yes. They think my accent is bad. People won't understand me.
Is this true?
No, an accent is normal. Everyone has an accent.
Even native speakers?
Yes, British people have an accent, American people have an accent, Australian people have an accent.
So having an accent is okay?
Of course, the important thing is communication. Can people understand you? Then your accent is fine.
I feel better now. I was worried about my accent.
Don't worry, just speak clearly. Speak slowly. People will understand you.
Good advice. Okay, let's talk about one more thing. How much time do people need to practice every day?
I think 5 to 10 minutes is good for beginners.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes every day is better than 30 minutes one time per week.
Why?
Because your brain needs regular practice. Every day, your brain gets stronger.
Like going to the gym.
Exactly. If you go to the gym every day for 10 minutes, you get strong. If you go one time per month for 2 hours, it doesn't work.
I understand. Regular practice is the key.
Yes, make it a habit. Every morning, speak English for 5 minutes.
What if people forget?
Set an alarm on your phone, or do it at the same time every day, like after breakfast or before bed.
Good idea. Make it part of your routine.
Yes, then it becomes automatic. You don't forget.
I want to share a story. Last year, I met a woman at the library. Her name was Lisa.
Oh, what happened with Lisa?
Lisa studied English for 15 years. 15 years. She knew all the grammar rules. She knew thousands of words.
Wow, so she could speak very well.
No, she could not speak at all. When I talked to her in English, she just looked at me. She said nothing.
Really? After 15 years?
Yes, I asked her, why don't you speak? And she said, I am not ready yet. I need to study more.
Oh, no, that is so sad.
I know. So I told her, you don't need more study, you need more practice.
What did she say?
At first, she didn't believe me, but then I asked her to try. Just try to speak for 1 minute.
And did she try?
Yes, she spoke for 1 minute. She made many mistakes, but she did it.
How did she feel?
She was surprised. She said, I did it. I spoke English. She was so happy.
That is wonderful.
Yes, and after that day, she practiced every day. She talked to herself. She found a language partner online.
And did she improve?
Yes, after 3 months, I met her again. She spoke to me in English for 10 minutes, no stopping, no translating in her head.
Amazing. What changed?
She stopped waiting for perfection. She stopped being afraid. She just practiced every day.
That is such a good story. It shows that practice is more important than study.
Exactly. You can know all the grammar rules, but if you don't practice speaking, you cannot speak.
So, everyone listening, please learn from Lisa's story. Don't wait 15 years. Start today.
Yes, just 1 minute today. That is all you need to start.
And remember what happened to Lisa. After she started practicing, she improved in just 3 months.
In just 3 months, she could have real conversations.
3 months. That is not a long time.
No, and imagine if she had started practicing 15 years ago when she first started studying English.
She would be fluent now. She could speak English like a native speaker.
Maybe, but the important lesson is it is never too late to start.
Yes, even if you studied for many years without speaking, you can start now.
Today is the best day to start. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, today.
I love that. Okay, now let's talk about some practical exercises people can do.
Good idea. What exercises do you recommend?
First exercise, describe your morning. Every morning, talk about what you are doing.
Like what?
Like, I am waking up. I am opening my eyes. I am getting out of bed. I am going to the bathroom.
Oh, very simple actions.
Yes, just describe each step of your morning routine.
How long should people do this?
Just 3 to 5 minutes while you are getting ready for work or school.
That is easy. What is the second exercise?
Second exercise, talk about what you see. Look around your room. Describe everything.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I see a table. The table is brown. On the table, there is a lamp. The lamp is white. Next to the lamp, there is a book.
I see. You are practicing basic sentences and vocabulary.
Exactly. And you are practicing the present simple tense.
What is the third exercise?
Third exercise, tell a story about your day. At night, before you sleep, talk about your day.
What should people say?
They can say, today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast. I ate toast and drank coffee. Then I went to work. At work, I had a meeting.
So they are practicing the past tense.
Yes, this is very good practice for past tense verbs.
These are great exercises, and people can do all of them alone, right?
Yes, you don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. Just practice by yourself.
And if people do these exercises every day, they will improve quickly.
Very quickly. In 1 month, they will notice a big difference.
What kind of difference?
They will speak more smoothly. They will find words faster. They will feel more confident.
That sounds great. I think everyone should try these exercises.
Yes, they are simple, but they are very effective.
Okay, we talked about many things today. Let's review the main points.
Good idea. So, first point, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Second point, practice speaking every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
Third point, you can practice by talking to yourself or finding a language partner online.
Fourth point, start today. Don't wait for tomorrow.
Fifth point, don't worry about being perfect. Communication is more important than perfection.
Sixth point, don't worry about your accent. An accent is normal and okay.
Seventh point, regular practice is better than long study sessions.
And we shared the story of Lisa. She studied for 15 years but couldn't speak because she never practiced.
But when she started practicing every day, she improved in just 3 months.
This shows that practice is the most important thing.
Yes, you can know all the grammar rules, but if you don't practice speaking, you cannot speak.
So everyone, please practice. Talk to yourself. Use the 3 exercises we talked about.
Describe your morning. Describe what you see. Tell a story about your day.
Do these exercises every day. Make it a habit.
And remember, start small. 1 minute is okay. 2 minutes is okay. Don't try to do too much at first.
Yes, build the habit slowly. Then you can practice for longer times.
And be patient with yourself. Learning takes time.
But every day you practice, you get a little better.
Yes, small improvements every day lead to big results.
Okay, I think we should finish now. This was a good conversation.
Yes, I hope everyone learned something useful today.
Me too. So everyone, remember, you can speak English. You just need to practice.
Don't be afraid. Don't wait. Start today.
Yes, when this video ends, speak for 1 minute. Promise yourself.
Talk about your room. Talk about your day. Just speak.
And do it again tomorrow and the next day.
Make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth.
After 1 month, come back and tell us in the comments. Tell us about your progress.
Yes, we love reading your stories. Your success makes us happy.
And if you have questions, write them in the comments. We read all of them.
We try to answer as many as we can.
So please, if this video helped you, click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every week.
Click the bell icon too. Then you get notifications for our new videos.
And please share this with your friends. Help them improve their English.
Yes, share Lisa's story. Maybe your friend is like Lisa. Maybe they study but don't practice.
Tell them to start practicing today. Don't waste time like Lisa did.
15 years is a long time. Don't wait that long.
Start now, today, this moment.
Okay, thank you so much for watching.
We appreciate you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
And practice your English today.
Remember, you can do this.
We believe in you.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.